Welcome back to BNN. Today we have some juicy legal gossip that's been making waves. Our topic is a bill suggested by a prominent judge that could change the game. Yes, you heard it right. We are talking about the decriminalization of prostitution. Let's dive right into it. So, what's all the buzz about? Well, Chief Justice Koome is making headlines with a groundbreaking bill to decriminalize prostitution in Kenya. This could have a massive impact on the way we view and regulate the oldest profession in the world. But what exactly is this bill all about? The proposed bill aims to decriminalize prostitution, shifting the focus from punishing sex workers to regulating and ensuring their safety. Currently, sex work, or otherwise known as prostitution, is deemed as an offense in Kenya, carrying a penalty of up to 3 years in prison. According to CJ Koome's bill, prostitution will remain an offense but not subject to imprisonment. Instead, alternative methods for dealing with petty offenses will be employed. These include conditional discharge, community service, a verbal reprimand, and a rehabilitation center. In our constitution, sections 153 and 154 for men and women respectively stipulate that sex workers engaging in proven acts of prostitution are deemed guilty of a felony. Furthermore, Section 155 provides that in any house that is used for the purpose of prostitution and the inhabitants live on the earnings of the act, a magistrate is required to issue a warrant authorizing any police officer to enter and search the house and arrest such persons. The bill recognizes that many sex workers are vulnerable to exploitation and violence in the current system. Judge Koome believes that this change will not only protect the rights of sex workers, but also safeguard the rights of intersex individuals within the criminal justice system. As with any hot topic, there are pros and cons. Some argue that decriminalization can help sex workers access legal protection, support, and healthcare, while others fear it might lead to an increase in the sex trade. From a legal perspective, this bill might bring a significant shift in how the law treats sex work. It is essential to keep an eye on the legislative process as it goes through the steps to become law. Let's see how it unfolds. Public opinion on this bill is quite divided. Advocacy groups and activists have been vocal on their support for the decriminalization of prostitution, while some people who are a bit traditional argue that it might have moral implications. Let's sample some comments online and see what people had to say about it. The Atheists in Kenya Society lauded Chief Justice Martha Koome for the bill, and so did Sex Workers Kenya Association. Economy ni mbaya bwana. Job creation was promised, mode of delivery wasn't cast in stone, kazi ni kazi. Prostitution is being legalized under a God-fearing president wakati it was illegal under a drunkard. The irony. And there you have it, our scoop on Chief Justice Koome's bill to decriminalize prostitution. It's a controversial topic that's sure to continue making headlines. We'll be keeping an eye on this story, and you can bet we'll have all the updates right here on BNN. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay on the loop. Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, stay informed and keep the conversation ongoing. We'll see you in the next video.